for someone who works from home. Tapos tatanungin mo, ano ang gagawin mo sa broadband free forever? Oh my God. I'm a PLDT user for over a decade now, and I can truly say na talagang para sa akin, ang pinaka-reliable pa rin na naging internet connection namin ay PLDT. Now, just to answer this question, ano daw ba yung ginagamit ko para mag-check ng speed test? Let me show you. Test.net, PLDT, let's go! Ang cut-cut yan ha. Sabihin nyo naman, kinat ko para kita nyo hindi edited. Hello, you. Diba? I mean, kung taga Lucena City ka or kalapit na area, I truly believe that PLDT is still the most reliable internet connection dito sa area natin. And para sa akin, kung magkakaroon man ako ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng free broadband forever, that simply means less overhead expense as someone who works from home. Pagkatapos, bukod pa doon, tingnan nyo naman yung performance ng PLDT dito sa area namin. When I heard that PLDT have this promo of having someone win a broadband free forever, oh my goodness, napakaswerte mo kung sino man ang mananalo neto. Kaya kung wala pa kayong internet connection and you work from home, I highly recommend you try PLDT.